Introduction. Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to check your IELTS results online. In this video, we will be showing you step-by-step how to access your results and understand the information provided. Step 1. Visit the IELTS website. The first step is to visit the official IELTS website. In the description, you'll see a link that says View Results Online. Click on this link to be taken to the results portal. Step 2. Enter your details. Next, you'll need to enter your personal details, such as your candidate number and date of birth. Make sure that all of the information you enter is correct, as this is how the system will verify your identity.
Step 3. View your results. Once you've entered your details, you'll be able to view your results. You'll see your scores for each of the 4 sections of the test: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. You'll also see your overall band score, which is an average of your scores for each section. Step 4. Download and print your results. You can also download and print a copy of your results for your records. This can be useful if you need to provide proof of your IELTS score to a university or other organization. To do this, click on the Download Results button. Conclusion. That's it. You now know how to check your IELTS results online. Remember that your results will be available 13 days after your test date. If you have any problems or questions, don't hesitate to contact the IELTS Test Center or the official website for assistance. Thanks for watching and good luck with your IELTS test.